Hello and welcome back, guys. So in this particular session, what we need to do is we need to find the day of the week given a integer value, right? So of course we will need to hard code it. So standard week starting from Monday. Okay. So let's make our weekdays, right? And that will be a dictionary in my opinion. And if it is one or even zero, right? So zero will be Monday. Right, one will be Tuesday, and then two would be Wednesday. Three would be what? Thursday, and then four would be. Okay, we need to make it from one, huh? Because it's saying like three is Wednesday, right? So we need to match that as well based on the thing. So five will be Friday, and then six will be Saturday, and then seven will be our what? Sunday, which is fun day. All right, so return, and then we simply do weekdays dot get n. Okay, otherwise we simply raise something. Okay, so let's try and run this thing. Okay, of course there is a syntax error. Maybe zero or whatever, right? Or none. So if there is nothing, we simply do that. Okay, so let's try to run this. Okay, seems like our tests are passing, right? So let's see other people's solution as well. So let's submit the code first. Let's check the solution. Let's check other people's solution because we had to do something similar, right? So okay, days, and then what they are doing is they are just dividing that by I mean modulo by 7. Okay, that's one way to do it. Right. Okay, this person has done something. Okay, they are just accessing the element. Okay, this person has done something similar. Okay, so this is also another way to do it. But I guess the modulo 7 is what I like. This one is what I like. Okay, so because whenever you are taking a modulo of, let's say it's 1, right? So the remainder will always be 1 in that situation. So if it is 2, it will be what? If it is 7, it will be 0, right? In that case, so that would mean that Sunday would come up. Otherwise it would be 1 2 3 4, something like that, right? So this is a good way to do it. Okay, Sunday. But why do we have Sunday at the end as well? You don't need that, right? mm, unless it's 1 and all as well. Okay, so 14 would be what? 14 would be 0 again. Okay, so that's like another Sunday kind of thing. So 15 would be what? 1, so that would be Monday. Okay, it works like that, so this is better. Otherwise, in our case, it's not going to work like that, right? So this is an elegant solution in my opinion. Okay, thank you for your time. Take care.